Did you know two of Jesus' followers once spent an entire day with the risen Jesus and had no idea it was him? 3 days after Jesus died on the cross, two heartbroken disciples were walking away from Jerusalem. Their dreams were shattered. They thought Jesus was the promised Messiah, but now he was dead. As they trudged along the dusty 7-mile road to Emmaus, a stranger appeared and started walking with them. This mysterious man seemed to know nothing about what had just happened in Jerusalem. But then something incredible occurred. The stranger began explaining the scriptures like they had never heard before. He showed them how everything in the Bible pointed to the Messiah needing to suffer and rise again. Their hearts burned with understanding. When they reached Emmaus, they invited him for dinner. The moment he broke the bread, their eyes were opened. It was Jesus! But instantly, he vanished. These two men immediately ran 7 miles back to Jerusalem that very night to tell the apostles. Their day of despair had become history's most amazing Bible study.